Okay, today we have what is left of an HP Envy computer. Here it says it's got a Core i5 processor in it, NVIDIA GeForce. Looks like the hard drive and memory have already been removed. Not surprising. We do have a nice piece of extruded aluminum for the heat sink. A little fan here. Set that aside. Let's get some of this wire out of the way. I think I'm going to need to get some new snips. Oh, let's get the regular snips over here. And I'm just going to snip all these guys at their connectors. I'm not going to worry about unplugging them. This computer was found in our e-waste bin at the office. So I have no idea what the history on this machine was, but given the way that they took it apart, I'm going to assume that it doesn't really have any use anymore. That one. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, great. Hopefully it's not the screwdriver I've got upstairs. Oh, good. Processor, which of course is a pinless processor. We can make out what it actually is here, like the paste off of it. So it is an Intel iCore i5 3470 it looks like. 3.28 or no 3.20 gig. Made in Costa Rica. Okay, we're going to get these. Get this fan out of the way. Fan there, we're tossing that box. Those appear to be one size smaller. These little things look like they're covering up the DVI slot and the two DVI slots. I have no idea why they would do that. Yeah, there's two DVI slots there. Free up the power supply. Take that off. Okay, so what else is holding on? There's one more screw in here. I did not see. No, there's one more here. Yep. There's our motherboard, which has gold pins in these RAM slots, gold pins on this processor slot, gold pins in these peripheral slots. We got a small extruded aluminum heatsink here with a BGA up under it. Some gold pins in some of these as well. These guys will definitely have gold pins in them. Gold pins in that, gold pins in that. Set those aside. Gold pins in these guys, gold pins in the USB and LAN slots. Another heatsink here, extruded aluminum it appears to be. Not sure what that's cooling. These guys maybe, these look like inductors. There might be a chip up under there, I just can't see it. Doesn't look like it from the back here. Nothing on the back side of this board at all. So that's most of it. We got a little LAN card here. Let's see if we can get that guy off. Not LAN card, Wi-Fi Bluetooth card. So it's got a few little gold fingers on it, nothing major, but hey, we take what we can find. Has some gold pins in this guy as well. Gold pins possibly on these bridge connectors. Blah 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 blah. That's about it. So we'll throw this in to be not sure that bit fits it. We'll throw this in to be depopulated. There goes that heat sink. So yeah, it looks like it's just these inductor. Well, there's some paste with some small, oh, those are MOSFETs. Transistors or MOSFETs up under there, it looks like. So that's good. There's that little heat sink. That's an interesting one. So that's it for that board. Put in to be processing. That's a little piece of steel. Do I have a steel bucket right now? I don't think I do. Oh, and let's see here. I'm not sure what these guys do. So I popped that guy loose supposedly. Did I not? Looks like I got all the screws back there. There we go. Maybe that little tab. So, power supply, we'll take that apart later. Looks like we have one optical drive here. And we got the these guys to get out of here. Oh, you move. Let's see what we got to take apart to get to them. I'm bet about not having to put them back together. There's the cover. There we go. So we got another DVD drive there. And there's that part of the do I see anything? That's just an LED. Another screw on the outside. Not that I feel. Oh, there's one more at the front here. Going backwards. That card, that reader slot out. Our Bluetooth LAN antenna, or wireless antenna. always go after those because they have a little bit of gold on the antenna connector usually. Okay. Let's get something a little better. Plastic. And there's another screw. Kind of figured there would be one, but couldn't see it. Alright, so the rest of that is just a steel case. Yep, that's just all steel case. Excuse me. Screwdrivers away. Shouldn't need these anymore. Oh, I take it back. I might. That's a little bit of steel. This is a tiny bit of plastic. So this has one little switch and a couple LEDs on it, other than the wire. As my pants continue to fall down. So this is our USB ports and our ports for, I forget if that's mouse and keyboard or if that's microphone and speaker. One or the other. So for now, I'm just going to trim the cords off. Same for these guys. Another little LED there, a little piece of wire, a little piece of plastic. That is just plastic. This one, we got an LED on this one. And this one we've got a small gold-plated connector here. Set that up there for the moment. That one doesn't have anything on it. Nothing on that piece. That piece is good. These will likely have gold connectors in it. These are the wires that go to the data drive, if I'm not mistaken. That is just another little piece of steel. Cable. Get this piece. Steel. That's steel. This one will likely have gold in it as well. Definitely has some gold pins in here and here and here and here. Yeah, and there's our Bluetooth LAN card, another connector, another connector. That one likely is just brass. And this one is definitely just a brass connector, because this is all just the power stuff. And that one will be gold again. So, what do we get out of all that? We got a little pile of wire. This is all just small steel. I was kind of looking for this guy. It got stuck to the steel. This is the other Wi-Fi antenna, and it's got a little gold plating on it. So these are brass connectors most likely. Most of the stuff pulled apart correctly. Gold connectors, gold connectors. I believe these are gold connectors. Definitely gold connectors. We got some LEDs. That looks like something I tore apart a little bit ago. That's still on the desk. One little tactile switch there for the power switch. Another gold connector. The rest of that, I think, is just the steel screws and the plastic, titanium plastic bits. And then, of course, as I said, we've got the power supply, which will have a little bit of stuff in it. We've got the other read-write card reader thing that'll have some gold in it. We've got the LAN card, Wi-Fi Bluetooth card that'll have a little bit of gold, and the motherboard, which has some gold in it in the different connectors on it, as well as potentially in some of these chips. So let's throw that back out there. Let's see if we can't. That's all steel bits. Where's my card over here? Yeah, I'm not seeing anything else there that looks important. So I will have to get that over to the plastic and trash pile. We'll take this board right here, along with these two boards. We got the processor, and those. So there we go. That's everything that came out of that PC. A little bit of wire, motherboard with some gold components on it, card reader board that's got some gold components on it, the Wi-Fi Bluetooth card, it's got a little bit of gold on it, processor, and the antenna connectors have a little bit of gold. These are all the gold connectors, USB as well as the various drive connectors. A little bit of brass, a little bit of LED, and one little tactile switch that may have some silver in it. And a CD-ROM drive and the power supply. Okay, so I think that's going to be it for today, guys. Have a good one.